This is a video to show you how to install the Rebel tune-up kit. The Rebel tune-up kit consists of replaceable wearable parts including 2 new wheels and tyres, wheel hubs, bearings and the drive shafts. To install this kit, all you need is a 5mm hex tool. Firstly, you need to open the cover of the cleaner. Do so by removing the clasp and then gently removing the blue cover. Once the cover is off, you can remove the turbine cover and put it aside. Next, we remove the 2 wheels. We do so by inserting the hex tool in the axle and the wheels will pop off. Do so again with the other wheel. Next, we want to replace the shaft and bearings. So firstly, we can push out this drive kit, which consists of the long shaft and the encapsulated bearing with the 2 springs. So we'll put those aside, take the new one. You need to make sure that the shaft is inserted the correct way around as well, as it will only function in one direction. Then we need to take out this drive kit, so we remove this gear, making sure we know which direction it goes in. Now this comes out with 2 bearings. And you should be able to just push that out with a little bit of force. Again, making careful note which direction this goes in. So the short gear end comes in this side. And we need to place a bearing on this side and a bearing on this side. And then we can insert that. Sometimes you need to use a little bit of gentle force to get those bearings in there. You need to make sure that the bearing sits flush with the surface. Now we can fit another drive kit. So we just insert the gear end in that way. And that just snaps in like that. So springs facing this direction. Now we can put the wheels back on. So we just insert the screw through the wheel hub, place the hub through the wheel, and place the wheel on like so. Flip it over and do the other side. And now replace the turbine cover and replace the main cover. there we have it. Simple.